Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best camping chair for heavy people you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many camping chair for heavy people and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each camping chair for heavy people, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a camping chair for heavy people. First, always check the weight capacity of the chair to ensure it can safely support your body weight without bending or breaking. Next, look for strong and durable materials such as steel or reinforced aluminum frames combined with high-quality fabric that resists tearing. Comfort matters too, so choose a chair with a wide seat, extra padding, and good back support. Portability is also important. A foldable design with an easy carrying bag makes transport simple. Stability features like anti-slip feet and cross-leg support can prevent tipping on uneven ground. Lastly, check for additional features like cup holders or side pockets for convenience during long camping trips. Considering all these factors will help you find the perfect, safe, and comfortable chair for your needs. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews.